What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from the Universal Orlando Resort for yet another Jurassic roller coaster project construction update. And hopefully there's been a little bit of progress. Let's go! Over here in City Walk, this building is getting gutted as we can look all the way through and see twosome and more. See, that thing is completely empty inside. Big changes. Now over here by Voodoo Donuts, we can see more work on the outside of the building. Looking pretty crazy. Hopefully we'll have some exciting work coming up soon.
Just happened in front of my eyes. Woo! Yes! Congratulations!
Well, that was kind of neat. We just saw somebody get proposed to right in front of Islands of Adventure. This place is magical.
Pictures of it.
So the ticket booths were not busy, but they did have us go through this queue over here. But we're at the entrance and we can see the turnstiles on the right and the left are open. I'm going left. Like usual, no wait to get through temperature check, security, or the front entrance, and we are on our way. Alrighty guys, let's check out the wait times. The park is open until 7 p.m. It is a Saturday, so let's see how bad it is. Hulk at 50 minutes, 5 minutes for Dr. Doom though. Not bad, 50 minutes for Kong. Next page, 60 minutes for Forbidden Journey. Poseidon's Fury, 45 minutes. Seuss Trolley Ride, 40 minutes. 25 minutes for the Hogwarts Express. 5 minutes for some of the smaller attractions. Jurassic Park River Adventure, 35 minutes. Popeye and Bluto's, 20 minutes. Dudley Do-Rights, 5 minutes. Interesting. Hello, Jurassic Roller Coaster Project, and I can see a couple changes, but one that kind of surprises me, the big crane that was on site here in the front is gone. Yeah, gone. No new work on the top hat, which is a little weird. We were expecting it to be done, but we'll see. Still no water cannons for the big guy, the Incredible Hulk. Hopefully that's going to be changing sometime soon. I miss that element. Here we can see more of the maintenance barn covering is on. And in just the last couple of days, look at all of that new ironwork right there. We used to be able to see the transfer track pretty easily, not anymore. Now we're over here by the Jurassic Park River Adventure, and we can see pretty much the same amount of track. There are some new pieces towards the back area, but new, a bunch of rock work right over there, and then work on that first show building. Well, the tower crane is doing some work. We can see right over there, another piece of track is about to go into the air. And there we go, another track piece in the air.
Yeah, they're all in here. Here's right, well, go. Thanks, guys. The Tango's getting a little hungry, so I'm going to take her in the back of our quick snack, and it doesn't need her pictures for the blue's going to come out.
Here before, the first thing you're going to notice is this star is about 20% larger than any of the other raptors we've raised. The distance is a little different here in a raptor encounter. If you get too close to Blue, she eats you. So you want to stay a little farther away, okay? Secondly, do not try to reach out to touch Blue, okay? It's very dangerous. She's a biter. You don't want that to happen, okay? It's very dangerous and cell phones from you anymore, and you need a phone to take the photo for you. However, you're more than welcome when I invite you in. That allows our professional photographer to socially distance back in her area. Okay, do we have any questions about our dinosaur? Any questions about Blue?
Same time.
Jurassic World is now proud to present the Tango lenses. Known to the world. Say bye to Blue. Everybody out, they need to say bye. Very disappointed. All right, come on in here, guys. Come on, Rick. Whoa, dude, that was close. You are so brave. And very little Meals on Wheels. Very sweet. Very nice. Big smile. Thank you, 10. Good.
Raptor encounter, and I know we keep showing this, but guess what? A new arrival is here at the encounter. A new baby velociraptor named Tango.
Yeah, Tango, that's good. Say hi to them. Don't eat the finger. Okay. Oh, now you mentioned the word eat. Come on over.
Hey.
Hi there, Tango.
Hey, hi Tango.
Hi, Tango.
How
Can
you
you say
doing?
hi? Can you say hi?
Hi. Hi Tango.
There you go. She's very talkative today. She's very friendly.
How old is Tango?
Tango's 6 months old. She's our
Awesome.
newest addition here at Jurassic.
Very nice. And is he friends with Sierra?
Friends with Sierra. Yeah, Sierra's
Awesome.
her sister, basically. They're
Oh,
both
very nice.
They were both raised about the same time,
Very nice.
both genetically.
Pizza Predatoria, and what do you know? It's open today, so maybe it's just weekends. so once again, no big crane on site, which is a little weird, and I don't see any double spine track, which is needed for that top hat element. So once that shows up, well, we're gonna be in business. But right now, nothing, unfortunately. Well guys, that's going to do it for another video here from the Universal Orlando Resort for the Jurassic roller coaster construction project, and I am happy to say crews have been busy even over the last couple days since we've been away. They've installed about 9 or 10 track pieces, all very low to the ground. I am still hoping that the top hat is going to get some work in the coming week or so. We shall see. Of course, we're going to have more updates from here, so if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.